Let me show you how to remove and also replace the keys and switches on your Ajazz AK820 Pro wireless keyboard. So inside the box you will find a tool like this and also even 2 spare switches as well on this keyboard. So first, to remove the keycaps, basically you have to actually use this end of the tool. So you'll see what I'll do. I'll simply take this tool, placed underneath the key, just like this, and simply pull, and you see we can remove it. So let's repeat it once more. So you see it simply goes nicely underneath here on each side here. If you want, for example, remove the space bar, so again, let's maybe do like this. Simply pull it and do it on the on the other side as well. So you see we can easily remove it. And then to remove the switches themselves, you have to actually use this end of the tool. So, and if you check the switch over here, as you see on the so you see on the switch you kind of have this one like tiny like things that you simply need to press inwards. So you see also on the other side, so in the middle. So what you do is you simply take this tool, and essentially put it on the tiny thing. So you see, and then you can squeeze it. So you see I'm squeezing and it squeezes inwards that tiny bit. So if you want to remove this like switch here, so again you position like this, simply squeeze it together, and then you see we can remove it. So if you look up close, so you see I have squeezed inwards the tiny switch. If you want to put the switch back, so if you want to replace it, so you see simply observe you have those those pins, and as you see you also have those matching holes where it goes. So simply arrange it just like this, put it on, and then you simply press it inwards and it should click. So you see this is what it looks like. And then to put the keys back, so M goes here, again you simply push it on, this one, and then finally the space bar as well, simply push it on and job done. Good luck.